the video expose of Saldico, which was,
Yes.
nandito kami noong sa ano,
okay.
Pinky and I were here.
Yung una.
Itong kahapon.
Kahapon.
Eh, nandun ka rin, we were with Karen, di ba?
Yes,
So,
yes.
then 4 to 6, ako
Yes.
naman with Pinky. Doon nilabas yung part 3.
Yes.
So, nabigla rin lahat, no? So, napag-usapan din yung ano niya. The question really is more of, kailan ka babalik? Parang, yung sa akin, yung element na kulang ang testimony because come home and testify because other than that, because all other witnesses have testified, Bryce Hernandez, Alcantara, Bernardo.
Yes.
So that's the element na parang yung kulang ng whatever threats that you have, no? I'm sure you will be secured one way or the other. Come home and testify. Yun ang malakas na, like what Chavit Singson did na, lumabas siya. So yun yung element na sana gawin niya.
Alam mo, Sec Edwin, ang isang, okay, nung una, nung lumabas si Gutesa, and in fact, nagkaroon nga ng away, di ba, kahapon, kinuha siya ng Marines to protect him.
Which was being denied by the Marines.
Marines, okay. Hindi na pwedeng i-deny. Tahimik lang ako, ayaw ko mag-react. But nasa kanila, nasa MC2, which is the intelligence arm of the Marines.
Okay.
Which is his mother unit,
Correct.
nung active pa siya. Ngayon,
Are you saying he's still there?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
Hindi ko alam. Ngayon ang nangyari, hindi na siya protected, detained na siya
By?
by the Marines.
Oh, that wasn't reported in the news.
Yes, and now I'm saying it.
So he's now in the custody of the Marines.
Of the Marines. Hindi ko alam particularly kung institutional to or there are elements in the Marines active. Alam mo,
Why
Sec
is that
Edwin,
being informed?
ngayon lang kami pwede magsalita. Dahil ngayon lang nakuha yung pamilya.
Oh,
Okay.
that's new.
Si Paul Estrada, if you recall, sinasabi na natin inilipad sa Chile. Before nilipad sa Chile, when they were in Taiwan, if I'm not mistaken, lumabas si Senator Bato, sinabi niya magte-testify. Senator Bato was talking of Paul Estrada and the wife.
Before he left for Chile.
Binugbog yung mag-asawa.
Okay.
Binugbog.
Nino.
Yun yung claim nung wife.
Okay.
Kasi yung Paul and the wife magkasama and yung wife is pregnant.
Okay.
Okay. Nung lumabas at nalalabas, or at least nalaman kay Senator Bato na yun ang information, binugbog. So ngayon, lumipad yung mag-asawa sa Chile. And then, si Marcoleta, in this sa Bilyonaryo, said, nasa Chile yan. Nandun na yan, namomonitor namin because iglesia nga yung babae.
Correct.
Okay.
At sa my understanding, bagong convert si John Paul sa
John Paul.
sa
oo.
iglesia.
Ngayon daw, nabugbog ulit.
Pero wait, I don't know, understand. The only one who could, bakit assuming no, kung bakit siya ibubugbog ng, my question, sino nagbugbog? Because sino ang magbugbog sa kanya? People who to prevent him from talking.
Yes. Ang sabi, ito, kino-quote ko
Yes,
yung
yes.
nagsabi may mga active personnel daw, may NBI pa. Okay. Paano nakakatawag yung babae pag nagkakaroon sila ng church services? Nakikiram ng phone. Tumatawag daw through messenger. And I've seen some of the messages. Ngayon, ang sabi pa ng babae, meron kaming Philippine passport pero hindi namin alam ang pangalan namin. Kinonfiscate nila.
So how are they able to fly out of the country without a passport?
Initially, they were using their own passport.
But you thought it was confiscated.
Confiscated by those holding them.
All right. Okay. So that was when they were here. So how were they able to fly out?
Lumipat ata sila, meron silang hawak na passport, no? Pero I think they were anticipating already na baka pa-cancel yung passport nila in lieu of the investigation. Basta ang clear na sinabi ng babae.
Wait. That's pretty difficult to. You're suggesting you're not stating that the passports were confiscated. So if they were confiscated, there's no reason for whoever confiscated to return it, and therefore they might have flown out of the country using a forged passport because you can only have one passport.
Clarify ko, yung kumuha ng passport nila, yung may hawak sa kanila.
Because the term used was confiscate.
Yes, kinonfiscate daw. So let's say lumabas tayong dalawa, pagdating natin sa ibang bansa, kinuha ko yung passport mo. So hindi ka pwedeng umalis,
Correct.
hindi ka pwedeng mag-travel. Yun daw nangyari.
Wait. Ginamit nila yung passport nila. Ano ba yan? Visa-free ba ang Chile?
Hindi, well, ang sabi na ng babae, meron kaming ginagamit na passport pero hindi na namin alam ang pangalan namin.
kung hindi nila alam, somebody must have arranged for that passport and not bearing their names. Otherwise, malalaman ng although most likely, malalaman ng authorities Gutesa.
Yes, so yung unang tanong mo, Sec Edwin, ora parang, hindi ko rin naintindihan nung una bakit ganito? Doon tanong mo, Saldi ko, come home, parang ko ako din, matatakot ako. I'm sure alam niya nangyari kay Paul Estrada. I'm sure, well, yung kay Gutesa hindi niya alam. Pero alam niya yung mga nangyari. So, all resources are being used.
But I don't understand. You're already detained by whoever the Marines are detaining him. How is it possible? Because number one, the first time you said, kinupkup ng unit
Nung
niya.
una, yes.
And then, subsequently, you mentioned na detained siya. So, if he was detained, how is it that they were able to escape the custody from the Marines?
No, si Sergeant Gutesa, wala pa, nandun pa, hindi namin alam.
So, who left the country? The wife or both?
Okay, Gutesa,
Oo.
nandito, and I'm saying is, hindi namin alam, pero hawak siya ng Marines. Si Paul Estrada, NY,
Ay, sorry, si Paul palang pinag-usapan natin.
Oo.
Nag-Chile.
nag-Chile.
Gutesa is still here.
Gutesa is still here.
Okay.
Pero, fortunately, yung family ni Gutesa medyo safe na.
Okay.
So, ang sinasabi ko dito, Sec Edwin, hindi na natin alam kung sinong kalaban. So, if I'm Saldi ko, hindi ako uwi. Ang gagawin ko, ipapanotarize ko yan sa consulate natin in wherever he is. Doon ko muna titingnan yan, submit dito
Ang kwento
officially.
nasa Japan.
Japan?
Na unverified. Ang kwento kahapon.
Hindi.
2 days before, Friday, there were unverified reports that Saldico was in Japan, hoping to come home in the rally. If the rally is big, he would speak before the rally. I mean,
okay.
you should know better than me.
Yeah. No, ako naman, yung nakuha kong report, kasi nga, pinasabi ko doon sa mga kaibigan niya, na kaibigan ko rin, sabi ko, ano nyo na yan, panotarize nyo na yan doon sa, kung saan consulate na nandyan yan, para makita na natin.
So, but it's no? So this is getting more complicated.
Yes.
At least, so right now we're clear that Gutierrez is here. Gutierrez here, John Paul is in Chile na.
Yes.
So, very, very interesting yung how he flew out of the country. So that will be investigated since you mentioned for the first time in Billionario.
Totoo. And first time ko rin na ano yun, yung dun sa kay Gutesa, ang tagal natin nagkukwento, hindi ako nagsasalita. Kasi yung family niya natatakot. Dahil sabi, maraming nakapaligid, very active. Pagkatapos si Saldi ko nagsalita. Totoo yung sinasabi ni Gutesa. Lalong natakot, tapos si Gutesa could not be found. And, Sec Edwin ako na unang magsasabi na parikant na nila si Sergeant Gutesa.
Ah, talaga?
Pinarikanta nila, pinapirmahan na nila, binidyo na nila.
Ayun yung sinasabi ni Amy.
Yes.
Ah.
So sabi ko nga, kawawa naman yung tao kung pwede i-release na nila.
So let's wait and see for the
Yes.
next 2 days kung ano
Kung ano
mangyayari.
mangyayari.
At saka kaya lalo ka imamatyagan ng military. Sec Mike, marami kang alam.